everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Laura and welcome to my channel. Today is day 18 of FACEMASKTOBER and we are going to be testing out the soo'ae Panda Eye Brightening Mask. So this is going to be a fun one today, I hope. And it says Hydrating Soothes. Dark circles and tired eyes making me look like a panda. Hydrogel eye mask in a cute panda print to brighten and revitalize your eyes. Step 1. Cleanse skin thoroughly and apply toner and or serum. I have applied toner already and my skin is cleansed. Apply mask to face, carefully lining holes for the eyes. Smooth out air pockets with fingertips. Leave on for 15-20 minutes and then remove mask. When used in daytime, apply sun protection after use. Alright, so I guess we'll go ahead and cut this open. Now I am noticing that it says hydrogel. The other masks that I have used, it said that hydrogel have always been like really clear and see-through. So I'm curious if this will look that same way. Oh, what is going on here? So it looks like it was wrapped up in this like plastic thing, but that's already come off. Throw that away. Looks like it's gonna come off that way. So I'm gonna throw that away. Ooh, you look like a panda. I don't know why I feel the need to make that face with my nose. So I'm not really sure how this would help with tired eyes since, I mean, the tired part's going to be right there, but we're going to go with it. I haven't been getting a lot of sleep lately because I've been, oh, it's like red right there. I was like, what's wrong with my skin? No, it's just the mask. Anyways, I haven't been getting enough sleep lately since I've been working out so much. I have quite a bit of pain in my lower back and in my neck, and I just, oh man, I just cannot sleep for the life of me. I had 2 hours the other night. I mean, it could be cuter, but we'll go with it. So it said 15 to 20 minutes, so I'm just going to set it for 20. Okay, so I've got it started for 20 minutes. Alright, so we are back. It has been the 20 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and remove the mask. So it claims that it hydrates and soothes. As far as the soothing, I guess I can't really speak to that. Only reason why I feel like your eyes wouldn't be soothed, I guess maybe if they were puffy or something. I don't really feel like my eyes were puffy. But hydrating, yeah, because I can feel it. It feels moisturized. It feels nourished. No, you still have the serum on there. I don't think it tells you to wash it off. Yeah, it doesn't tell you to wash off the serum, so you just leave it on. But yeah, this is kind of a cute mask. It's $2.50 at Walmart, so I suppose that is a little bit pricey just because it's only focusing on one area of the face as opposed to like an entire face mask also getting those areas as well. But yeah, it was kind of fun. It's kind of different for once, having something a little bit different instead of just like the little eye patches. I don't know if I would pick it up again because of that. I suppose if I saw it and I just wanted to play around or whatever, yeah, I'd probably grab it. So that's everything for this mask. If you have tried it out or if you're going to go pick it up, please comment down below. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now. That way you don't miss out on my future videos. And until tomorrow's next FACEMASKTOBER video, I hope you're having a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye, everybody.